Hey there! Have you ever caught yourself scrolling through social media and coming across a tweet or an Instagram post that you thought was really funny or interesting, then wondering maybe I could do this for a living? This is exactly what social media managers do. But to be fair, there's a bit more to it than just posting to social media. Your personal social profile might be full of witty and interesting posts. But if you're looking to become a social media manager, you might have to take a few more steps. Let's dive a bit deeper into discussing how you can become a social media manager. Number 1. It is important that you have a community of your own. Before you think about taking on clients professionally and pitching your services to others, you should have a rigid social media presence yourself. Follow other companies that are leading the market. Learn what they're doing right and how they're interacting with their community. You should have a good know-how of all major social media platforms out there, and then market yourself. If you don't think you can promote yourself, then how will you promote your clients? Number 2. Collect a bit of experience. Maybe get an internship or a trainee job at a firm. See how things run there. Learn how you can get both organic and paid reach on social media. While paid ads on social media might be extremely beneficial for you and your clients, you also need to learn how to create engaging content that would draw your audience towards you. You can sign up on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to start looking for work. There are always clients out there looking for new talent. This brings us to our next point. As a social media manager, you will need to have a spectrum of skill sets that includes, but isn't limited to, copywriting, designing and illustrating, excellent time management, customer service and communication, and running ads. These are some basic skill requirements that are expected of a social media manager. You can either learn these skills by taking up a form of formal education, readily available online courses, or by experimenting and exploring on your own. Having these skills will help you acquire more clients and allow you to confidently show off your success. There's a bunch of both free and paid online resources out there that can help with your learning experiences, like HubSpot, Google Digital Garage, and Coursera. You should also take help from some social media marketing tools, like Canva, that allows you to create engaging visual content, or social media management and automation tools like SocialChamp help you converge your workflow by bringing major social networks on a single platform, letting you run several campaigns at the same time. Number 4. As a social media manager, you should also have analytical skills. Look at raw data and translate it into useful and helpful information for you and your clients. Having good analytical skills can help you improve and optimize your performance. See what's working and what isn't. Tweak your campaigns accordingly, and even justify the ad spend to all the stakeholders. Familiarize yourself with tools like Google Analytics, a tried and tested digital marketer's best friend. And finally, be agile and creative. Try to stay on top of what's trending. What are people talking about? Is there a new TV show that's all the rage? Or maybe a global event that people can't stop tweeting about? And memes. Learn to adapt to the fast-paced life of digital media. You can't be awake or glued to your devices 24/7. So take assistance from some online tools like Google Alerts and Twitter trending topics. These are just a couple of steps that you need to take before you venture into the world of social media management. This is an ever-evolving and expanding world with new and exciting things happening every day, but don't let that scare you. Start small. Pick a point and start there. Maybe you'd like to develop a skill first or take up a course. There's no wrong way when starting out. Best of luck, and we hope to see you out there.